Today I'm going to share some of the weekend treks near Hyderabad, which you can do it yourself along with your family and friends. Please note, these can be done with children also, as I did it. I will briefly introduce you to my choice of top 10 one-day treks. First place takes Rachakonda Fort. It has proper route along with boards set by government once you enter Rachakonda. Instead of taking proper route, my father makes us to always take tough routes. It is a very big fort from inside. There is even a lot of open space to play. A pond is also there while coming out, but can't go inside as it is muddy. Another time we explored from outside of the fort also. There are number of hills around. Just choose one and start climbing. There are so many water streams. We even pitched a tent just for fun for some time. It is approximately 2 hours journey from Hyderabad. My second favorite place is Konda Fort. While entering, it is muddy, little disappointing. But once you cross that by seeing the big main door, energy regains. Proper stairs are there up to some point. Later, exploring time. If you love rock climbing, this is the must place to visit. If you don't like also, you can't stop yourself from climbing. It has so many rocks. Looks like potatoes from far. This is one of the hidden gems of Hyderabad. Anywhere you look, there are rocks. Go with proper trekking shoes and enjoy a day in nature. It is approximately 3 hours journey from Hyderabad. Third place takes Narsapur Forest. Yes, it is a forest area. On the way, a lot of farmlands are there. Forest is too dense. Don't go too much inside. If you love to spend quality time with your family in a lonely place, this is it. Choose any opening to enter inside. Don't forget to leave markings of your route. As in forest, all routes look same. This is 1.5 hours from Hyderabad. Fourth is Kisaragutta. Before going to the temple, there are so many hills on both the sides of the road. Choose anyone with a little less plans. If we move inside, very big boulders are there. Some of them can be climbed. We found a water stream also. Don't forget to pack lunch and snacks in all of these treks. You'll need a lot of energy to cover more area. If you miss it immediately after the rains, the roadsides are full with colorful flowers. This time took other route and found a small pond. You can also try. From Hyderabad, it takes approximately 1.5 hours to reach. On the fifth place, it comes Bodakonda. Again, the rocky place. But if you visit during monsoon, a waterfall can be witnessed where you can enter into water. But we visited in January, so no chance of water. But we proceeded inside and found hills to explore. Little greenery comes in between, which we have to cross to reach rocky place. It is approximately 1.5 hours from Hyderabad. Sixth place is the famous Bhongir Fort. It is a well-known picnic spot for Hyderabadis. But visit by keeping adventurous activity in mind. There are stairs to enter inside the fort. But my dad loves to take challenges. He made us to take the side rocks to climb up. After entering inside also, there are so many big rocks which you can try to climb and face the fear. Don't forget to carry your food and spend quality time with your loved ones. It takes approximately 2 hours to reach. On 7th place, it comes Chittiala Hills. There is Venugopalaswamy temple in Chittiala. Immediately after the temple, a small route takes you to a hilly area. The route has some thorny plants. Wear proper sports shoes to cross them. Once you reach hills, you cannot imagine its beauty. It is approximately 2 hours from Hyderabad. Eighth place is for Anantagiri Hills. This is well known for Padmanabhaswamy temple. Go ahead for another 2 kilometers. There comes greenery. Stop any side of the road and start climbing small hills. You can sit anywhere, play, run, and roam. People even pitch tents here for afternoon rest. It is another treasure for adventure lovers. But just make sure to carry your trash. It takes around 2 hours to reach. Ninth place takes Gunrock Hills, the most neglected place in Secunderabad. You might have crossed it many times, but have never realized its beauty from inside. While entering, you don't feel it has hill inside. But believe me, once you cross the muddy area, you will enjoy it a lot. A very big boulder comes at the start, which has water tank at the top, taken care by army person, which can't be entered. But up to border we can climb. It is a perfect destination for beginners. If you go inside, you can spend at least half a day for exploring. It is only 40 minutes of journey. The 10th one in my list is Kunda Matago. Not much place to climb, but a small pond, lot of free place, and so many farms on the way takes the attraction. There is government maintained forest area in between where you can spend some time. It is approximately 1 hour from Hyderabad. So friends, if you are trekking enthusiastic, don't leave these places to explore as beginners. Make sure you like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Bye.